Does your kitchen feel crowded the second you start cooking? Today, we're checking out 20 useful Amazon kitchen finds designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more organized. From clever cooking tools to smart everyday gadgets, these finds are worth checking out. Let's get started. Number 1 is the Crystalbru 2-liter clear glass simmer pot, a stylish and versatile addition to any kitchen. Made from 3.5mm borosilicate glass, it's designed for everyday stovetop cooking and is lead and BPA free. Its clear glass design lets you easily see your food while it cooks, so you can monitor soups, tea, pasta, sauces, and more without lifting the lid. It's a practical choice for anyone who wants safer, convenient cookware with a modern look. Number 2 is the STIRLEX Premium Batter Dispenser, a handy kitchen tool for making baking and breakfast prep cleaner and more consistent. Its generous capacity and clear measurement markings let you control your portions for pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, and crepes. It helps reduce messy spills while making it easier to create evenly sized servings every time. Number 3 is the KOIOS 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender, a versatile kitchen tool that combines multiple functions in one compact design. Its powerful motor and interchangeable attachments make it useful for blending, mixing, whisking, and other everyday food prep tasks. You can use it for smoothies, soups, sauces, batters, and more. It's a convenient way to handle different kitchen tasks without needing several separate appliances. Number 4, Clueapop Premium Meat Chopper. The Clueapop Premium Meat Chopper is a handy kitchen tool designed to make breaking up and chopping ground meat faster and easier. Its durable construction and sturdy blades help break meat apart efficiently. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and better control while cooking. It's great for ground beef, turkey, sausage, burgers, tacos, pasta, and more. At just $9, it's an affordable kitchen upgrade for quicker and more convenient meal prep. Number 5, Moxinox Gold Mixing Bowls. The Moxinox Gold Mixing Bowls are a stylish, practical addition to any kitchen. Made with durable, food-safe materials, they're designed for everyday use. With an elegant gold finish and multiple sizes, they're perfect for mixing, baking, tossing salads, and prepping ingredients. A versatile set that combines quality, convenience, and style for everyday cooking. Number 6, CHEFMAN 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer. The CHEFMAN Dual Basket Air Fryer is a convenient way to cook 2 foods at once. Its durable cooking baskets are designed for everyday use. While the dual basket setup lets you prepare different foods without mixing them, the sleek design fits easily on your countertop, and it's great for fries, chicken, vegetables, snacks, and more. A practical kitchen upgrade that helps you cook multiple dishes faster with less hassle. Number 7 is the Blue Ginkgo Over-Sink Colander, a practical kitchen tool designed to make rinsing and draining easier. Its durable design sits securely over the sink, giving you a convenient space to wash and drain fruits, vegetables, pasta, and other foods. The over-sink design also helps free up counter space while keeping everything contained. It's a simple, space-saving upgrade that can make everyday food prep more convenient. Number 8 is the CCKO Glass Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle, a simple upgrade for more controlled cooking. Its clear glass design lets you see how much oil is left, while the dispenser helps you pour just the amount you need. It's great for olive oil, vinegar, sauces, and other liquid ingredients. The controlled pour can help reduce spills and unnecessary waste while keeping your countertop looking neat. Number 9 is the SOLEADER Plate Gripper, a handy kitchen tool designed to make handling hot plates easier. Its gripping design gives you a more secure hold when moving plates from the microwave or serving area to the table. It's especially useful when dishes are too hot to handle comfortably by hand. A simple tool that adds extra convenience and helps make serving hot food easier. Number 10 is the WACOI Divided Snack Serving Tray, a convenient way to keep different snacks organized in one place. Its divided sections let you separate foods without mixing them together, making it great for parties, movie nights, family gatherings, or everyday snacking. The organized design makes serving multiple snacks simple while keeping your table neat and easy to manage. Number 11 is the Empava Flex Induction Cooktop, a modern cooking upgrade designed for a more flexible kitchen setup. Its induction technology provides fast, efficient heating, while the flexible cooking surface gives you more room to work with different cookware sizes. It's great for everyday meals, from boiling and simmering to sautéing and frying. A sleek option for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking space while keeping the countertop clean and modern. Number 12 is the GDL Rotary Cheese Grater, a handy tool that makes shredding and grating much easier. Its rotary design lets you grate ingredients with less effort while keeping your hands away from the sharp grating surface. It's great for cheese, vegetables, chocolate, and other ingredients you want finely shredded. It's a convenient kitchen tool for faster food prep and more consistent results. Number 13 is the Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot, a convenient option for making crispy fried foods at home. Its deep design gives you plenty of room for frying items like chicken, fries, onion rings, and other favorites. It's a practical addition for anyone who enjoys homemade fried food and wants a dedicated pot for easy, controlled cooking. Number 14 is the OXO Corn Prep Peeler, a handy kitchen tool for making fresh corn easier to prep. Its compact design helps remove corn kernels from the cob with more control and less mess. It's useful for preparing corn for salads, soups, tacos, casseroles, and other recipes. A simple tool that can make everyday food prep faster and more convenient. Number 15 is the Eggssentials Poached Egg Maker, a convenient kitchen tool for making multiple poached eggs at once. Its stainless steel design features individual egg cups that help keep each egg neatly in place while cooking. The included lid helps keep the heat contained, making it easier to prepare evenly cooked poached eggs. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or adding poached eggs to your favorite meals, giving you a simple way to make several eggs at home. Number 16 is the Baetle Oil Splatter Guard, a useful kitchen tool for keeping messy oil splashes under control. Its protective design helps cover the cooking area while still allowing heat and steam to escape. It's great for frying bacon, chicken, vegetables, and other foods that can cause hot oil to splatter. It helps keep your stovetop cleaner and makes cooking fried foods a little less messy. Number 17 is the QIBOX Snow Cone Machine, a fun way to make refreshing snow cones right at home. Its compact design makes it easy to set up on your countertop, while the simple operation lets you turn ice into fluffy shaved ice for your favorite syrups and toppings. It's perfect for summer parties, family gatherings, or a fun treat at home. A great pick for anyone who wants to enjoy homemade snow cones anytime.
Number 18 is the GDL Rotary Cheese Grater, a simple way to make shredding and grating easier. Its rotary design helps you grate ingredients quickly and evenly while keeping your hands away from the grating surface. It's great for cheese, vegetables, chocolate, and more, making everyday food prep faster and more convenient.
Number 19 is the Amzcku Glass Pitcher with lid, a simple and stylish way to serve your favorite drinks. Its clear glass design lets you easily see what's inside, while the lid helps keep your beverages covered. It's great for water, iced tea, lemonade, juice, and other refreshing drinks. Perfect for everyday use or serving guests. It adds a clean and elegant touch to your kitchen or dining table. Number 20 is the Klaif Pizza Countertop Oven, a compact way to enjoy homemade pizza right from your kitchen. Its countertop design saves space while giving you a convenient setup for baking fresh pizza and other quick meals. It's great for pizza nights, family dinners, or entertaining guests. If you love easy homemade meals, this is a fun kitchen upgrade. If you enjoyed these Amazon kitchen finds, like this video and subscribe for more.